I just push on the reset switch up from your baseboard, and it's dead. Finished.
Okay.
So as soon as the BIOS, your BIOS, have seen all board at startup,
Okay.
it seems that the board goes in a special state, and after that it will be not possible for your board to restart with a reset or with a reboot from the Linux, because I can restart. Okay, I will shut down by pushing a long time on the reset. Okay, so it's power off.
Yep.
I say I do the same test with a reboot with the Linux. Ok, il faut taper reboot là. Ouais, ok. Ok. Attends, oui, je sais pas s'il a pris.
Right now we have a super difficult password.
Zeg maar wat.
Very good.
So what yeah.
Okay, so today it's working now, and you make the reboot. You will see the postcode to. You have not make a reboot.
No, I just wanted to show that obviously
okay,
everything
it's
was
live.
was
It's
working.
live. It's not freeze.
So I hit reboot. You will see a couple of messages because the system will really reboot.
You will see 5 here for shutdown from Linux, and it's one more time. It's dead. Finished. It's blocked. And I can even show you something more strange. Last test.
Yeah, here we are shutting down. But if we let the machine for 1 hour, it will be in that state. So it's completely frozen.
Okay,
Oh,
so
okay. Still
I
frozen.
make a start. It's perhaps not. I believe most of the time you have a strange behavior. Okay, so now during the boot of the BIOS, the board was present, was detected. Okay.
Yeah, maybe we can show
No,
so
no.
that it's
Yes, it's live. Okay, it's working. So I remove the link. So you have finally a system without anything plugged, nothing.
Yeah.
It's
Oh,
that.
Still freeze.
Still free. So finally, it's not the presence of a board at the time we push the button. It seems that before that, something has go in a strange state, and your boot manager is no more able to restart, even without any thing connected on any slot.
What we didn't show was the fact that if nothing is connected, obviously everything will work properly. So we can do resets and resets.
Yes,
It will work. But okay, so
yes, we can do here. Okay.
And does it make any kind of difference what kind of cards you connect to the PCI?
Yes. To be clear, we don't say we are exclusively the root of the problem. We have some board on which we have not this behavior. So I don't say that your carrier board with your module have the same behavior with any kind of PCI board plug.
That makes sense.
Even one of our board, because here it's a 16-lane board, and we have a 4-lane board. The 4-lane board don't give the same problem. And so another thing that it is completely strange, if I do the same thing, not here we are in a PCH slot.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you are even not on the CPU. We are on
Yeah,
the
PCH.
lane. if I make the test, we can do the test here if you want.
Directly,
If I make the test, there are no power on it, so we can plug it just a high
Yeah.
frequency signal, so it's not risky to plug a hot to make a plug. If I plug in a 4-lane PCI coming from CPU,
Yeah.
we have never problem.
Oh,
I
so
can-
only
I will-
from PCH.
And
The
if I
dance
plug
from PCH.
Yeah,
on
it's,
this
yeah.
16 lane, we have not detection, but I believe it's due to the fact that you have revert on your board all the lane of the 16, and you have been obliged to patch something in the BIOS for that.
That might be. I don't know.
Yes.
Yeah. But I think the most important part indeed is that we eventually will manage to duplicate this issue, and then hopefully we can find
Okay.
a active
Every time
device
we can
where we
reset.
can.
Okay, so we can reset, and never problem in this slot. So.
And the same configuration. So
Yes,
Gen 3
3,
two lanes.
same.
Yeah, it's the same.
Yeah.
Because even if it's at a 4-lane slot, we are working still in 2-lane because it's just 2-lane on the wire. So
Yeah.
yes. So we can
So
do
it's
any
really- it's
number
really-
of reset.
Yeah,
It's really
it's
very
working
strange.
fine.
So for why different behavior on your side? Why different behavior on our side also? That means if we put some board, we have a problem.
Yeah, then
Okay,
the
so
error does not occur.
we have speak also about this problem with Altera, and they say, we are 100% compliant with PCI, with all certification. Yes, okay, but in
doesn't
any
work,
case,
it
we
doesn't
have a
work.
problem. Okay, and they always come with, it's always problem in the BIOS calibration at the startup, so contact your manufacturer of the manufacturer of your main board, and
Yeah.
yes, but okay.
And again, one thing that is very strange to us is the fact that when you enter the BIOS, so you put here, you do a reset, so you are in the 0 state. You do a reset,
Yes.
and you will see that you will leave that state, and you will have all the code and so on. When we have the freeze, we push on reset, and the codes here, it's still 0. So it's like the BIOS didn't have the opportunity to start. We expect that in the BIOS, in the first, really early in the BIOS, you will upgrade the codes,
Yeah.
and it's not even there. So it's really like it's very early in the boot stage, or maybe early or late in the reset stage. I guess that you will have both stages. So the start of the BIOS, but maybe
Yeah.
you have something that is happening at the end of the reset, and
Yeah.
so there might be something missing to transition from the reset
Reset to boot.
to the
Yeah,
restart
yeah, yeah.
mode. So obviously we don't have any clue about that, but it's really strange that we are not even seeing a change in the
The
code
code
here.
at the back.
So it's so early that
Yeah.
he cannot dialogue with slot, detect something, configure.
No, because it doesn't do
It's
anything
too
for
early.
it. Yeah.
Probably, yes, still making nothing.
Yeah, but still, then it's strange that the behavior changes when you hook up a different card.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, and again, when the system is booted, that the BIOS have seen the card, if we remove the connectivity, we expect to have no problem. I guess at some point the BIOS will check something, but what can be checked, because there is nothing
Plugged in any
nothing
state.
plugged.
No, it doesn't get to
So-
the checking stage, it seems.
Yeah, it's like there is some code, something that is still there,
Sure.
and that is preventing maybe the transition from reset to start.
Okay,
something else,
and to investigate this kind of problem, we cannot imagine to work in remote because it's so difficult to send you all the material, and also you need also the procedure because you have to run some
Yeah,
software.
okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
it will be very difficult to give you first the material, and secondly to detail all the procedure to start up the system.
Yes.
And to not have okay, I have nothing. Oh yes, but it's because just you have not pushed on